Hi everybody, I hope you're having an incredible day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you are thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. I want to tell you about where I'm at right now. I'm in a development called Rivera Molino. This is literally right as you're coming into the romantic zone. When you go over the bridge, you have the Rivera Molino Plaza. That's where this is located. If you know where the Fit Club is, we're just right around the corner from the Fit Club. You are surrounded here by bars, shops, restaurants. You're only a block and a half until you get to the beach. The owner of this penthouse needs a quick sale. He is literally listing this for $60,000 less than he paid 2 years ago. So the asking price of this condo is $590,000 US. You have 3 bedrooms here with 3 full bathrooms. You are not finding a 3-bedroom condo in the romantic zone at this price. This is not going to last. If you are looking for an investment property, if you're looking for a second home or a primary home for yourself and you need a lot of space, you want all the bedrooms, jump on this deal right now. It 100% is not going to last. This is priced to sell for an immediate sale. So like I said, you have 3 bedrooms here, 3 full bathrooms, a little over 1,500 square feet. Once again, the asking price is $590,000 US. Look in the description down below if you want to find out more information about this condo and how you can get in contact with me. WhatsApp is always the best way to reach me for the fastest reply versus email. I get tons of emails every single day. And I hope you guys do click like and subscribe to my channel. I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market. Without further ado, let's go get into this condo, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the outside here of Rivera Molino. You cannot get a better location than where you are. You are only half a block until you get to the beach. I always like to give you guys a good 360-degree view. It looks farther because I'm in a fisheye lens, but directly across the street from you, I love Eclipse Spa. They have some ladies in there that will do an absolutely incredible good massage for you. Over here, pie in the sky, some of the best desserts that you can have. Keep walking down here, right around the corner here, you've got lots of restaurants. The Fit Club is there. I mean, here on the corner, you've got really good juicers. They do tacos there, right around this on the side here, underneath that big tree. They have some great fresh coconuts. Do you see? I can just keep going, guys. Like, literally, you are surrounded by everything amazing. So you're gonna walk through. You have a 24-hour staffed closed door here, so you do have a nice secure entry. Just like to give you guys a good look at everything that you're gonna see when you're walking in. We'll continue to go up, over, and around. Now we are in low season here, and that means that lots of people are doing all of their renovations at this time of the year. So the amenities for Riviera are all on the ground floor. Since we're here, let's just keep going. All right, so as you can see, you have a beautiful lobby area here. Oh, you know what? I can't show you the pool because it is closed. All right, well, what I'm gonna have to do for that, because they're doing all these renovations, hang out to the end of the video. I'm going to put some still shots up and you'll see the pool, because the pool actually is really pretty. You're right along the river here. So you do have a pool that is included. I just can't get to it in the moment. No worries for that. Let's go ahead and get up into this elevator and we'll go get into this penthouse unit, guys. This is the steal of a deal. Let's go, guys. So just as I got up to the penthouse level unit, I noticed that we do have a way to show you what everything is downstairs for the amenities. So when we were downstairs, this is the walkway that you're gonna take. You're gonna come through, and as you can see, they have a nice big pool here. And then what's brown there, it's usually not brown, but because we're in the rainy season, all the sand and everything gets washed down from mountains. This is the river. On the other side of that is the river walk. Just to give you an idea of where we are, this is a little bridge that's gonna take you into the romantic zone. This over here is all Centro. So kind of now you have an idea of your bearings of where you are, and you have a bird's eye view of what the pool looks like. Alrighty, guys. As you come out of the elevator, you'll make your way down this hall. I just want to give you guys a little view of everything that you're going to see. Let's go get into PH6. Before we do, I want to mention some things that I really love. I love when they do these metal gates here from the doors, and you even have like just this little entry area here. You could put a screen on here so you're keeping all of the bugs out of here. Be able to keep the door open. In our high season here, we have some of the best weather, so I always like when they have those doors that are attached to the front door. Okay, you do have a coded entry here to get in. I always like that. And as you are walking in, I'm just going to get into this. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. You do have a Jack and Jill style bathroom here. I like how you have a nice marble finish here. All of the finishes in this development are very, very, very nice. The ceilings are very high. I like how you have a marble shower here. They did take the glass all the way in the tile from the floor up to the ceiling. Give you guys another little view here of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom that your guests would use. Also, this is an ensuite bath. You do have 2 individual sized beds here. You have a nice big closet, and if you'll notice here, there's a lock here. This can be your owner's closet if you want to use this as an investment property. I like how they have the recessed roof here. You do have a window here that looks out onto the hallway just for some natural light. If you didn't want to have the blinds there, you could always maybe frost that glass so that you do have the natural light coming in, but you do have a little bit more privacy. 2 of the bedrooms are off to the back, which is nice because you are in the heart of the romantic zone here. It's very nice and quiet. This is a king size bed, just to give you an idea for the space. You do have polished marble floors here. And I like how they stuck with the design of the closets. You have the nice built-ins there. And like I said before, everything that you see in this video is included. We have another ensuite bath here, which is open to the public as well. So it looks like you do, oh, no, it's not. Let me go back. I don't know what I saw there. I saw another door. This is the door to here. Okay, so let's get back into it. So this is the ensuite bath for this bathroom. Again, you have a nice glass stall shower here where we take the glass and the tile from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. Give you guys just a view of what the finishes look like here. Very similar to the one that we just saw. You also have some nice built-ins here on the side. Okay, so this is bedroom, bathroom number 2. Popping right down the hall, this is your Rivera Vallarta stackable washer and dryer, and I like how they do have full-size washers and dryers here with your water heater. I'm gonna just spin around so you can see exactly where we are. Walking down the hall now, we're getting into the primary living space. Because you are on the penthouse level here, you do have the really nice tall ceilings. Open concept kitchen, living room, dining room. So you'll notice here in the kitchen, you have everything that you could possibly need. I like the tile that they've selected here. You have nice stone for the countertops, a nice area for 6 people to sit and have dinner. So if you like to entertain, coming into the living room here. I like the colors that they've chosen, very Mexican, where you have all the different colors. But again, if this isn't your style, it would take $15,000 probably to come in here, all new furniture, and just get this to a different design aesthetic if that's what you're looking for. Now we're stepping out onto the covered balcony. I like how you have a ceiling fan here. And this is your view. You're looking out. So right behind this is the entrance here to get into the romantic zone, just to kind of give you your bearings of where you are. This is the plaza that I was mentioning. So right downstairs, you've got Seasons, which is a restaurant. The Intercam Bank is here as well. The Fit Club is right around the corner, and you just have everything that you can need at your disposal here. You're in a really great location, and because of the position of where this building is, you can see you're shaded here. You can keep these doors open all the time and you don't have to worry about the sun blazing down on you. So now that you guys have seen the 2 bedrooms, we've seen the living space, the common area living space, let's go get into the primary. I like how they do have a stone wall here as you're entering in. Nice little feature wall. Welcome to the primary suite. This is a king size bed, just to give you an idea for the space. You do have a nice angled roof here, kind of hard to see. I think if I turned my thing, there you go. Yeah, you can see you've got a nice angled roof here, but I just love how tall all of the windows are, or how tall the ceiling is here, because you just have so much natural light that's coming through here. I'm just gonna give you an idea of what you're seeing here, the beautiful mountain, just all of your views. Move around, give you guys some different angles of what this primary suite looks like. Got an ensuite bath here. Built-ins for your closets. Coming into a glass stall shower, just like what we saw with the other ones. You have the marble. Same thing for the finishes in the bathroom. There's a safe here. already set up if you are going to use a property management company. Now they do rentals for this unit. They weren't very active with it, so they do have a rental projection of what you could make if you're wanting to use this as an investment property. And like I said, guys, this unit is hitting the market. Literally, they signed the contract yesterday. It's about to go live on Flex. I don't think it's gonna make it that far. I have 3 clients interested in this unit already because I was cold calling all my clients yesterday. I just want to give you guys another view of what everything looks like here. Then we will get into a recap, and stay tuned if you want to see some still shots. Okay, that's everything, guys. Let's do it. Now that you guys have seen this condo, let's get into the details one more time. You have 3 bedrooms here with 3 full bathrooms, a little over 1,500 square feet. The asking price is only $590,000 US dollars. Once again, we are in a penthouse unit here, only a block and a half to the beach. This condo is priced to sell. Do not wait. Literally, guys, like before the end of probably 3 or 4 days, this house is going to be under contract. So if you are looking for an investment property, if you are looking for a second home for yourself, you need 3 bedrooms. This is unheard of at this price here in the zone. Most of the 3 bedrooms that we have here are all in Molina de Agua, which you're looking at $1 million plus to get into this many bedrooms. All right, that is my time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you do click like and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what is going on here in Vallarta with our real estate market. That is my time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye, guys. Peace.